Hi, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my tie-dye candles. I've got quite a few based on sort of book themes, so let's have a look. But before we get into that, if you're new here, my name's Jason. I make videos all about making and selling candles online, so if that's something you're into, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. They're really easy to make, so I've got a little tutorial that's coming up in a minute, so let's get into it. In order to make a tie-dye candle, you will need a few little things first. A candle that you've already made, nice and set, made that a couple of days ago. You'll need some dye. I've just got some green dye here. Something stabby. This is just a skewer that you use to cook some meat on or something. Yeah, it's not going to focus, but you get the idea. And a heat gun. Any candle maker should have one of these. If you don't, get one. First things first, we just need to stab a few holes down the side. And then we're simply going to get our dye and just pop a few little dots of dye down the little holes we've made. So it's going to look like that at the moment, so a bit of a mess. And then we get our trusty heat gun and go to town. Now I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm just going to leave that to set. But yeah, you get this wicked little effect. Almost reminds you of a lava lamp, if you guys remember them. But yeah, it looks awesome. Then it'll set. You might have to give a bit of a blowtorch on top again, not blowtorch, heat gun on top, but that'll soon even out. So they're set pretty quick, but each candle is totally unique, and I think they look really cool. It's definitely a way to make a candle stand out from the rest of people's. The only downside is they do take quite a bit of time to produce. But I definitely think it's worth it. Once you get a bit more savvy with it, you can get quite a few lined up and do sort of 6, 7, 8 in a row. That's kind of how I do it now. Heat one up, turn it around a little bit, heat the other up, and then keep going back and forward, just heating them all up at different points and spinning them around. And then this is the end product, my Hobbit inspired candle. Massive fan of Lord of the Rings, my favourite films. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how you make a tie-dye candle. That's it. It's pretty easy to do. You don't really need any special gear, just something stabby. So yeah, give it a go. It's pretty satisfying. Create your own little lava lamps. If you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.